Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat keeps logging me out from on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, solution one is change the password of your Snapchat account. So guys, for the Snapchat account change password, tap on settings, tap on setting in the right corner, tap on password here. So guys, first of all, change your password. So after changing your password, the second method is update Snapchat on your iPhone. So for the update, tap on App Store, search here Snapchat, so check for update. So if you haven't updated your Snapchat app, so simply update your Snapchat app to the latest version. so the next solution is check the Snapchat servers are down or not. So Snapchat, so is it down? So scroll down, and is it down right now? Here, first website, checking Snapchat. So guys, Snapchat is not down, Snapchat is working. So guys, the next solution is do not use a VPN. So guys, if you have connected any VPN on your iPhone, so simply disconnect the VPN here. So I have connected the VPN, tap to disconnect. So after disconnecting your VPN, so disable background app refresh for Snapchat. So tap on settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, scroll down back. So here is Snapchat, turn this off. So after doing this, so guys, the last method is disconnect third-party apps from your Snapchat account. So guys, if you have connected any third-party app, log in with Snapchat, so remove all the apps. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.